A very good morning to all of you. Let us start a new chapter in history, the Vedic period, different ways of life. In this chapter, you will know about the Aryans and the four Vedas. We learnt in the previous lesson how historians learn about the past from written sources also. Among the oldest literary sources are the four Vedas composed by the Aryans in Sanskrit. The Aryans came in from the northwest towards the middle of the second millennium BC, that is 1500 BC. The Vedic age gets its name from the four Vedas. The Vedas. Let us know about the Vedas. Word Veda means knowledge. They contain hymns sung in praise of various gods and goddesses. Hymns means the poem written in the praise of gods and goddesses. The Vedas were not written down. They were recited and the listeners learnt them by heart and passed them to the next generation. The Vedas were heard, that's why they were also called Shruti, and then memorized, that's where they were Smriti. It was much later they were written down. They are the main source of history for the period between 1500 BC to 600 BC. So Vedas are the main of information about that period. That's why this period is called Vedic age or Vedic period. Here you can see a manuscript of Rig Veda. Rig Veda was the oldest Veda and it is a manuscript. Manuscript means handwritten record. Let us know about Rig Veda. The Rig Veda is the oldest Veda. It gives a vivid picture of the early Vedic period. The other three Vedas are the Samaveda, the Yajur Veda and the Atharva Veda. These Vedas laid the foundation of the Hindu way of life and belief of Hindu religion. The Vedic age is also termed as the age of epics. The two great epics, the Ramayana and the Mahabharata, and the Upanishads were also written during this period. The Rig Veda contains 1028 hymns. These hymns are in praise of various gods, Indra, Agni, Varun, and many others. The Rig Veda is divided into 10 mandalas or books and is written in Vedic Sanskrit. It was composed of 3500 years ago. The Sam Veda, the Yajur Veda, and the Atharva Veda were composed later. Together they contain about 21,000 verses, means altogether they have 21,000 verses. And in Rig Veda, 1028 hymns are there. The Vedic period can be divided into two periods. The early Vedic period, it was from 1500 BC to 1000 BC, and the later Vedic period, it was from 1000 BC to 600 BC. The manuscript of the Rig Veda was written on birch bark. So first time when it was written, that time as paper was not available and neither was the written material. So they used birch bark for writing the manuscript of Rig Veda. As I told earlier, manuscript means handwritten record. It was found in Kashmir about 150 years ago. It was preserved in library in Pune, Maharashtra. So still you can visit this library and see the manuscript of Rig Veda. Some of the hymns of Rig Veda are written in the form of dialogue. Dialogue means when two people are talking and this talk is written in the same way, that is called dialogue. They tell us about the cattle, horses, chariots means rath, used, and the battles fought. They also tell us why battles were fought for land, for cattle, for slaves or dasas. Slaves were called that time das or dasas. So, about all they fought battles, these things are written in Rig Veda. Let us know about, first of all, about early Vedic period. The early Vedic period is also known as the Rig Vedic period. The people of the early Vedic period were semi-nomadic, means some people started settling down and doing agriculture, whereas some were the cattle herders and they moved from one place to another for searching pastoral areas. Pastoral area means the place where grasses are available. They moved their settlements from one place to another, from one pastoral area to another. They domesticated cattle and other farm animals. Cattle was their main source of livelihood. Cattle plowed the land and provided them with milk, butter, and ghee. That's all for today. In the next class, we will study about the Aryans. Thank you. Have a